Alright guys, so on this Honda Fit, I wanted to discuss with y'all, if you put LED lights in, you'll get this DRL on your driving lights. You know, basically acting like that you don't have a bulb that's working. So I found a solution here that's called LED Decoder, no flicker, error free, and these are for the Honda Fit. As you can see, it has the tri-plug. So I'll leave the link below on the description and all that where I got it. So we will install these and see if we get that light to come out right there. And it's basically just plug and play. So here we go. So yeah, you just have one female in and one male in, and you just come in here and unhook your LEDs and hook this right on up. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Here we go, guys. Driver's light is out. And let's go make sure they're still on.